What's up, junkies? Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to update your Nikon ZR camera. The first thing that we're going to do is quickly hop over to nikon.com to download the files that we need. Nikon.com. Okay. And we're going to head over to software. We're going to select firmware updates. Enter product name. I'm just gonna put ZR and it comes up right away. If your camera, like mine, is on software version 1.01, I would recommend you to update to 1.10 and then to 1.11. That's what I'm going to do with my camera because I'm not sure if the software version designed 1.11 is designed to update from 1.01. So I'm checking my camera here. Just gonna turn it on, hit the menu, and check the firmware version. And as you can see, mine is on 1.01. So we're gonna take it from the 01 to the 10, and then from the 10 to the 11. Now that we have our software downloaded, let's go ahead and put it onto the root of the memory card. We're gonna dump the bin file directly onto the memory card itself. We're not gonna put it into any folders. That's what it means to put it onto the root memory of the memory card. Once it's there, we're gonna take that and put it into the camera, and the camera will automatically recognize the update on the card. Right, we're gonna go to the menu and go down to the fifth icon on the menu, which is the little wrench. And then we're gonna go all the way to the bottom to the firmware version. And one of the options is update from memory card. Ideally, you do not want to have any lenses attached to it. It's just something that I read in the notes when it comes to the firmware. So I would do this with the body cap on and no lens attached. Once we have it there, now we're just gonna go ahead and click OK. Oh, it told me low battery. Let me get my other battery. Okay, and it's asking us to change from the 1.01 to the 1.10. We're gonna hit on and we're gonna hit OK. And now we just wait for the camera to do the rest of the work. Okay, now we got a little status bar and we're like at 15% on that status bar. And we're gonna repeat the same exact process by putting the bin file onto the memory card and updating from 1.10 to 1.11. About halfway done now. Okay, now the update is complete and is asking me to turn off the camera to complete the update. Okay, now we're gonna double check. And as you can see here, we are successfully on version 1.10. I'm gonna put here how long it took so that you will know around how long it would take without all of the movie magic. Now to repeat the process. The first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove the previous bin file. So I'm going to remove the 1.10 bin and we're just going to throw that into the trash. And make sure that that's completely gone. Now to do the same thing, I just dropped the bin of 1.11. Eject the memory card from the computer. And reinsert it into the ZR. Turn the ZR camera on. Go right back to the fifth icon, which is the little wrench. Go all the way down to firmware version. And as you can see, update from memory card is once again an option. So we're going to go ahead and click it. We're going to go from 1.1 to 1.11. Now we wait. All right. That just completed. And once again, it's asking me to turn off the camera to complete the update. All right. And now I'm going to double check. And we're there. Version 1.11 complete. And that's it. That's how easy it is to update your ZR camera to the latest firmware. Once you apply a firmware update, your camera gets reset. So now it's time to dive back in to set it up exactly the way I want it. If that's something that interests you, be sure to like, subscribe so that you don't miss that video when it comes out, because I'm gonna jump on it right away so that I can start using it the way that I like it. My name's Luis, also known as Mr. Camera Junkie, and I will see you next time. Talk to you. And I want to give a special thanks to the junkies who support me through channel memberships.